Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly remember to like and subscribe. If it's your first time, remember to subscribe, share for more videos, guys. Today I'm trying to show you what is happening today in the country DRC, where few missiles was launched, was targeted to hit the airplane, the war airplane. This and some weapons were found after the battle of what's going on in the east side of the DRC in Kivu, with the D.R.C and D.R.C versus the M23. Yeah, this war is leading really far, and many people are losing their life. So guys, remember to pray for Congo when you are in your prayers. Ahead you will see these videos will replay, but in Swahili, and some people are speaking Rwanda in the video. Guys, kindly listen to what's going on. I don't know what's happening, but I don't know. There is no much I can say or I can translate to you, but this is what is happening. It's obvious. It seems like the Rwanda release hit the Congo airplane as it was leading to the war in the east side of the Congo. So, well, that's what is happening there. You can see this guy here was actually trying to evacuate and try to stop the fire from the trying to stop the fire. See, he's running around looking for a way to stop the fire, which I don't know if he will ever make it. Around here, the airplane was flying and got shot twice, but ahead there is a clear view where you will see a clear view of the shot. This place here is where the D.R.C soldiers were in the battle, and they found a leftover weapon, and they were looking at it, showing it, and well, that's it. Yeah guys, just watch ahead. There is videos to come. I mean, this same video will replay, but in their local language, where the incident was happening. Let me know how you feel about this. Like and share, comment if you can, if you have any. But what I ask you guys is all of you to remember, put Congo in prayers, because whatever is happening, yes, war is war, but innocent people, many people, they're dying. They don't care. You see how they launched the missiles over the airplane. They didn't care that people could be under there or whatever. It just happened. But yes, guys, pray for this country, for whatever they are facing right now. It might concern everybody it might concern the whole humanity. But, well, it's sad. And it's sad. Yeah, that's Congo. This is where the M23 have been hiding, and they kind of get pushed out a little bit. But, well, they keep pushing them away, and they come back. Look, this is the other angle where the missiles was released again. I don't know if this is the Rwanda side or, yeah, this is in the Rwanda, because people from here could see what is happening. The airplane, I think the airplane was flying probably near the Rwanda border, and they didn't like it. They just had to release the missile to destroy the airplane. Alright guys, follow the next.
Bro. Hey, Victor! Au nom de Jésus.
Mu Rwanda barayirashe, urabyumva? Mu Rwanda barayirashe, reba ibintu ikoze. Mwami tuguyeho, ngwino. Mwami ngwino. Barayirashe. barayi Mungu Mungu turapfuye. No. Rwanda ni bashenzi imbecile. Tunaona
Okay, kamata. Tunazunguruka. Leta ile kombora. Igeza hivi. Injo atitaka yetu rekipere, ile kombora iko wapi? Rekipere kwa M23, ndio hii ingari ya mupi. Tuwapiga wakekimbia wakaiacha kwenye alacha vitu vingine. Juu ya woga wakatupa na kombora bila kuidekupie. Nayo RPG, nayo tuko nayo. Antuka wenyewe wanajua hizi matitanka na nimero zake, bajue kama zinatengenezwa mwinchi gani. Hapa njo vifaa hizi njo makompora zenye M23 iko natupiga mwa masiku. Barisha regea kabisa, bako natupa makompora bila kudekupie. Okay. Na RPG njo hii, na balipiga bila kudekupie na ikaanguka, Mungu akatulinda. Okay. Zunguruka sasa na wengine.
Tutawapiga mpaka Rwanda.
Kule mumilima kwa tulitoka, waoneshe kule.
Natua chini. Ile milima ya kule ndio wako nakimbilia kule.
Kule. Ile mondi pia katikati ya simama.